Hello students, this is one of the very important application of cube of binomial you can expect in section B or C. The given data 3a plus 2b equal to 14 and ab equal to 18, find the value of this. So, the given data 3a plus 2b equal to 14 and ab equal to 8. So, our aim is to find the value of that, okay, to find 27a cube plus 8b cube, correct. Very simple. I will explain how. Now, first consider this cube. Before that, see the formula a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. In the previous video, I explained you can use this formula for specific problem. This is one of the specific type problem. Okay, because here this we have sum and product, and here cubic numbers. So here also sum and product. Whenever the given problem which is related with sum and product, use this format of identity. Okay, now. So what is the question? A 3a plus 2b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus, I will write the formula first here because you can easily understand the concept. A cube plus b cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So this is identity. So based on this identity, we will prove this. So in our case, it is 3a plus 2b the whole cube equal to 3a cube, 3a the whole cube plus 2b the whole cube plus 3 into a into b. So what is a? A is the first term, that is 3a, and b is the second term, 2b, and last 3a plus 2b. So now which is equal to 27a cube plus 8b cube, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 2 18ab into 3a plus 2b. So this is the final format, okay, 3a plus 2b the whole cube. This is the standard format which involves product and sum. So what is the given data? 3a plus 2b equal to 14. So this is 14 cube equal to this value we need to find. So 27a cube plus 8b cube plus 18 into AB. So what is AB? AB equal to 8, and this is 3a plus 2b equal to 14. Now 27a cube, yes, 27a cube plus 8b cube equal to 14 cube minus this number. So maximum avoid unnecessary calculation. So what is this number? No need to multiply here. So which is equal to 14 into 18 into 8. Correct. I will take 14 outside. If I take 14 outside, so what is the balance value? 14 square minus 18 into 8. Correct. 14 square minus 18 into 8. So which is equal to 14 into 14 square 196 minus 196 minus 18 into 8. So 80 plus 64, 80 plus 64, 144, which is equal to 14 into 46 plus 652. 46 plus 2, 52. So 52 into 40, 14 equal to, which is equal to 728. So I never use rough calculation because the method of evaluating the arithmetic expression is very simple. Again I will explain. Write the given data, or write required to find, write the suitable identity, then substitute in this identity, reduce into standard form. After reduce into standard form, if you substitute the given data, no need to multiply this, no need to find 14 cube, no need to multiply the product, use unnecessary calculation. 27a cube plus 8b cube equal to 14 cube minus 14 into this, and then evaluate like this. Whenever some common factor is there, always take the common factor and calculate the remaining value, last step multiply by the same value, 14 into remaining factors, simplify that value, the final value is 52, 52 into 14 equal to 728. Okay, this is one of the very important 3-mark question in polynomial identities. Thank you.